Do you need to travel? Do you go to the airport, but you do not know what to say? You freeze, you feel nervous. Today, we fix that. We will teach you real English for the airport. Stay with us. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mr. Englishman, where learning English is easy and fun.
Hello, everyone. We are so happy you are here with us today.
I am Lily.
And I am Max. How are you today, Lily?
I am great, Max. I am very excited today. I had a good morning.
A good morning. Tell me, what happened?
I made a really good cup of coffee. That is all. But it made me so happy.
A good cup of coffee is everything. I love that.
What about you, Max? How is your day?
My day is wonderful, thank you. I went for a short walk this morning. The weather was nice.
Oh, that sounds lovely. A walk in nice weather. Perfect.
It really was. Okay, are we ready to start today?
We are so ready.
So today's topic is very exciting and very useful.
Yes, today we are talking about the airport.
The airport. We will teach you how to talk at the airport in English.
This is so important for everyone.
It really is. Maybe you are traveling soon. Maybe you dream of traveling one day.
Or maybe you just want to understand airport words in movies and TV shows.
Yes, all of those are great reasons to learn this.
And we will make it very simple. Easy words, real sentences.
By the end of this video, you will feel confident at the airport.
I love that. Confidence. That is our goal for you.
And before we begin, a small request from us.
Please subscribe to our channel so you never miss a lesson.
And if this video helps you, give us a thumbs up. It really helps people find us.
Share this with a friend who is learning English too. We want to help as many people as possible.
Okay, let us go to the airport.
Let us go. Okay, Max, where do we start?
Let us start at the very beginning. You arrive at the airport. The first thing you do is check in.
Check in. Right. What does that mean exactly?
Check in means you go to the airline desk. You show your ticket and your passport. They confirm your seat on the plane.
Oh, so check-in is like saying, yes, I am here. I am ready to fly.
Exactly. Yes, I am here. I am ready to fly. That is a great way to say it.
And where do you go to check in?
You go to the check-in counter. Counter, that means the desk, the table where the airline staff works.
The check-in counter. Got it. So you walk up to the counter and then what do you say?
You say, hello, I would like to check in, please.
Hello, I would like to check in, please. That is so simple. I love it.
Simple and polite. Always say please. Always be polite.
Always. And then they ask for your documents, right?
Yes, they say, may I see your passport, please?
May I see your passport, please? And you give them your passport.
Your passport is your travel document. It proves who you are.
Right. And they also ask about your bags, yes?
Yes, they ask, do you have any luggage to check?
Luggage. That means your bags, your suitcase.
Luggage, or you can say baggage. Both words are correct.
Luggage and baggage, they mean the same thing.
They mean the same thing. Luggage and baggage both mean your bags for travel.
That is helpful. So if you have a big suitcase, you say, yes, I have one bag to check.
Perfect. Yes, I have one bag to check. Or, yes, I have two bags to check.
And if you only have a small bag that you carry with you,
then it's called a carry-on bag. Carry-on means you carry it on the plane with you.
Carry-on bag. I carry it on the plane. That makes so much sense.
You see, the word tells you exactly what it means.
I love when English does that. Carry on. You carry it on.
Exactly. English is logical sometimes.
Only sometimes.
So after check-in, they give you something very important.
What do they give you?
Your boarding pass. Boarding pass.
Boarding pass. What is that?
Your boarding pass is a small card or paper. It shows your seat number, it shows your gate number, it shows your flight time.
Oh, so it has all the important information.
All the important information. Your boarding pass is like your ticket to get on the plane.
Like your key to the airplane door.
Like your key to the airplane door. I love that.
So you need your boarding pass for everything at the airport.
For almost everything. You need it at security, you need it at the gate, you need it to board the plane.
Board. What does board mean here?
To board the plane means to get on the plane. Board means to enter the vehicle.
Board the plane, get on the plane. Board the bus, get on the bus.
Yes, you can use board for planes, buses, ships. Great example, Lily.
Thank you. I feel like I'm learning so much already.
We covered check-in, luggage, boarding pass, and more. But wait, we are just getting started. Coming up next, we go deeper into the airport. Stay with us, it gets even better. Okay, let us quickly recap. So the words we learned are check-in counter, passport, luggage, baggage, carry-on bag, boarding pass, and board.
Check-in counter, passport, luggage, baggage, carry-on bag, boarding pass, board.
Wonderful work. Say those out loud with us. Don't be afraid.
Practice them. You're doing great. Okay, Max, so we have our boarding pass. What do we do next?
Next, you go to security. Security.
What happens there?
At security, they check your bags, they check your body. They want to make sure everything is safe.
That makes sense. Safety is very important at the airport.
Very important. You put your bags on a belt. A belt, that's the moving surface. It carries your bags through a machine.
Like a moving table.
Like a moving table, yes, exactly. And the machine scans your bags.
Scans. What does scan mean?
Scan means to check inside with a special camera, like taking a photo of what's inside.
Oh, so they can see what's in your bag without opening it.
Exactly. And you also walk through a scanner yourself.
Oh, yes, that big door thing.
That big door thing, yes. It's called a metal detector. Metal detector.
Metal detector. It checks for metal objects, yes?
Yes, metal detector. It detects, which means it finds any metal on your body.
So before you walk through, you take off your shoes?
Sometimes yes, and you take off your jacket, you take off your belt, you put your phone in a small tray.
A tray, like a flat container, like a plate with walls.
Yes, a flat container. You put your small things in the tray.
Okay, so security sounds a little stressful.
It can feel stressful, but it's okay. The staff will help you. Just follow the instructions.
Follow the instructions. That means listen and do what they say.
Yes, and if you don't understand, you can say, "Sorry, can you repeat that, please?"
Oh, that is so useful. Sorry, can you repeat that, please?
That sentence works everywhere, not just the airport.
I love that. Simple and polite.
After security, you find your gate. Gate.
Gate. What is the gate?
The gate is the door at the airport where you get on your specific plane. Every flight has a gate number.
So your boarding pass shows the gate number.
Your boarding pass shows the gate number. Gate 7, Gate 14, Gate 22.
And you walk to your gate and you wait.
You walk to your gate and you wait. This area is called the departure lounge. Departure lounge.
Departure. Departure means leaving, right?
Departure means leaving and arrival means coming. Departure and arrival, two important words.
Departure, leaving, arrival, coming. I will remember that.
Great. In the departure lounge, you can sit, you can shop, you can eat, you can wait for your flight.
That sounds nice, actually. I like waiting at airports. Is that strange?
A little. Why do you like it?
I love people watching, and I love airport food.
Airport food. That is very relatable. Many people love airport food.
Max, do you like airports?
Honestly, I find airports a little stressful. There's so much to do, so many signs, so many people.
Oh, I understand. But once you know the words, it feels easier, right?
That is true. Knowing the words makes everything less scary.
Exactly. That is why we are here today.
That is exactly why we are here. Okay, and when it's time to get on the plane?
The announcement.
Yes, you hear an announcement. Announcement means a public message. You hear it on the speakers.
And what does it say?
It says something like, "We are now boarding Flight 205 to London. Please have your boarding pass ready."
We are now boarding. That means it's time to get on the plane.
Time to get on the plane. And you walk to the gate, you show your boarding pass, and you get on the plane.
That's the whole journey through the airport.
Well, most of it. You are doing amazing. You learned so much. But there is one more thing most beginners never learn. Practical tips for real airport situations. Do not go anywhere. We will share them next.
Okay, let us recap the new words. We have security, metal detector, tray, gate, departure lounge, departure, arrival, announcement, and boarding.
Security, metal detector, tray, gate, departure lounge, departure, arrival, announcement, boarding.
Say each one out loud. You are doing so well.
Wonderful work, everyone. You know the words. Now let us make sure you can use them. Here are our top tips for real airport conversations. These will change everything for you. Let us go.
Okay, Max, what is your first tip?
Tip number 1. Learn 3 key sentences before you travel.
Only 3?
Only 3. Keep it simple. Sentence 1. Where is the check-in counter for this airline?
Where is the check-in counter for this airline? That is so useful.
Sentence 2. Can you help me find my gate, please?
Can you help me find my gate, please? Simple and polite.
Sentence 3. I do not understand. Can you say that slowly, please?
Oh, I love that one. I do not understand. Can you say that slowly, please?
Airport staff hear this every day. They will always help you. Do not be afraid to say it.
That is so reassuring. You do not have to speak perfectly. You just have to communicate.
Exactly. Communicate. That is the goal.
What is tip number 2?
Tip number 2. Read the signs.
Read the signs.
Airports have signs everywhere, and the signs use simple English words: arrivals, departures, gate, exit, check-in, baggage claim.
Baggage claim. We did not talk about that.
Oh yes, baggage claim is where you collect your bags after your flight lands.
After the flight, you get off the plane, you go to baggage claim, you pick up your suitcase.
Perfect. Baggage claim. Add that to your list.
So if you read the signs, you can find your way, even without asking.
Even without asking, the signs will guide you.
That makes me feel so much better.
Good. Tip number 3, say everything simply.
Say everything simply?
At the airport, you do not need long sentences. Short is better.
Can you give an example?
Instead of saying, "Excuse me, I was wondering if you could possibly tell me where the gate is," just say, "Excuse me, where is gate 10?"
Yes, short and clear. That is much easier.
Short and clear always works. Airport staff will understand you.
And honestly, everyone is in a hurry at the airport.
Everyone is always in a hurry. Short sentences are perfect.
I love all of these tips. What is tip 4?
Tip number 4, arrive early and stay calm.
Stay calm. That is good advice anywhere.
It really is. When you arrive early, you have time. Time means less stress.
Less stress means better English.
Better English. I love that. When you are nervous, it is harder to speak. When you are calm, words come easier.
So, arrive early, stay calm, and use your simple sentences.
And remember, you already know so many words now. You are prepared.
You are so prepared. We are so proud of you. Okay, everyone, we are almost at the end of today's lesson.
And what a lesson it was! We talked about so many airport words today.
We did check-in, boarding pass, security, gate, departure lounge, announcement.
You learned so much, and now we have a small challenge for you.
A comment challenge.
Yes, go to the comments below and write this sentence.
Right. I am going to the airport. I need my blank and my blank.
Fill in the blanks. Maybe you say, I need my passport and my boarding pass.
Or I need my luggage and my carry-on bag.
Any answer is perfect. Just write your sentence. We will read every single comment.
We really will. This is your practice. It's not a test. It's just fun.
And before you go, if this video helped you today, please give us a thumbs up. It really helps people find us.
Share this with a friend who is learning English. We want to help as many people as possible.
And please subscribe to our channel so you never miss a lesson.
Your support means so much to us. It truly does.
We love having you here with us, every single one of you.
Okay, everyone. That's all for today.
What a wonderful lesson. I had so much fun today, Lily.
Me too, Max. I always have fun with you.
And I always learn something new, too, even as the teacher.
That is the best thing about teaching. You always keep learning.
Always. Okay, everyone, keep practicing. Say the words out loud. Use them every day.
You do not need to be perfect. You just need to keep going.
Keep going. That is the secret to learning English.
And we will be right here every week to help you.
Every step of the way. We are your English friends.
Your English friends. I love that.
Take care, everyone. See you in the next lesson.
Bye, everyone. Keep smiling, keep learning.
Goodbye, Lily. See you next time.